Hi everybody, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage, and today we're going to be showing you the prize package in the Show and Tow Dream Giveaway. The Classic is a 1966 Ford Mustang, a one-owner vehicle that you'll be so proud to put in your garage. And to pair it up, we've got a brand new Ford F-150 truck and a Futura Trailers Super Sport car trailer. In my opinion, the best car trailer on earth. Let's start with the 1966 Mustang and show you what has made it America's favorite pony car for almost 60 years. The Mustang began on April 17th of 1964, and that means its 60th anniversary or its birthday is coming up pretty soon. This beautiful example of a first generation Mustang is from the 1966 model year. It only had one owner for its entire life, and when he passed, the Dream Giveaway Garage was able to put it in the garage for you to win. Let's take a look under the hood and you'll see a wonderful restoration of the 289 cubic inch 4-barrel engine with factory air conditioning. And look at all the great novelties circa mid-60s on here. Like over here, you've got a windshield wiper fluid bag, that air conditioner. These are tough to find, these units anymore, and that's how they made them from Ford. That distributor on the Ford small block is up front. Much different than a GM, in which you'd find it in the back. And here you can see 289 cubic inches, 4-barrel premium fuel. That tells us that this 289 cubic inch engine was rebuilt to what is known as K-code specifications, and that means 271 horsepower. Let's take a look around and see what made the Mustang so popular in the mid-60s. In fact, by 1966, Ford had sold over 1 million Mustangs. Come on along. So the first generation Mustang is known by its long hood and its short deck. It was available in two versions, a Sport Coupe or a Fastback. This one, of course, is the Sport Coupe. There's a saying, all Mustangs are red, but it's true that not all of them came red from the factory, but this one did. And the Air Force career man who ordered it back in late 1965 or early 1966 really knew what he was looking for. What a great color combination with that red paint on the exterior, and we'll show you that interior that looks so good with it as well. Take a look here at the classic Mustang styling, including the shout out for that 289 V8 engine right there on the front fenders, one on each side. The timeless and classic Mustang emblem right there on the lower part of the fender. The wheels, yep, different wheels were available. This one has a wire cap option on the 14-inch wheels. And then the simulated brake cooling louvers here on the rear quarters made the Mustang look a little sportier back in the day. Now come on around back. It's easy to figure out where the gas cap is. Right here in the center. Got the Ford Mustang right there. And of course, the gas cap simply twists off. Much easier to find than on a, much easier to find than on that 57 Chevy that we had last year that had that hidden gas cap door. Classic taillights, 3 on each side. And only the performance Mustangs came with dual exhaust back in the day. Most of them came with single exhaust, so that's a nice upgrade as well. You'll see about the same on the other side. And now let's take a look inside this amazing Mustang for that color combination that I tell you, it just stands out. So great. Come on. I love sitting inside of a classic Mustang. This one, here you go, makes it all worthwhile. 3 pedals on the floor and a 4-speed manual from the factory air conditioning. And here's a neat piece of trivia. Through 1966, Ford only installed these under dash units. It wasn't until the next year, 1967, that the air conditioning on a Mustang became integrated into the dash. Other accoutrements, just an AM radio right here. That one is the original one. And a nice 140 mile-an-hour speedometer. We've got gauges here as well. And probably the neatest thing here, up here, starting instructions. How do you start the cold engine? How do you start the warm engine? Nothing was left undone in this restoration. Talk again about that wonderful interior, burgundy with a contrasting cream interior with that knit vinyl insert here. Comfort weave, I believe that they called it back in the day. Beautiful seat belts as well. You know, it feels like a brand new Mustang, and what a great vehicle. This one starts right up. To do so, I just have to put the clutch in, give it a couple pumps to that gas. There we go. Ready to go cruising 60s style in a classic Mustang. But here's the thing. You've got to remember, this is just half of the grand prize package. Maybe it's 1/3 of the grand prize package, because if you have that lucky ticket number, you'll also take home this F-150 right behind me. That is also a V8 powered Ford. It has a custom catskin interior. And unlike the Mustang with 271 horsepower, which was a lot back in the day, the brand new truck has 400 plus horsepower. And say you'd like to go to a car show. Well, we're going to throw in a Futura Trailers Super Sport lowering trailer. You can take a look of it. You can take a look at it in the B-roll that's included in this video. So how do you enter to win? You go to dreamgiveaway.com. You get your entries to win. You use the promo code that you see with this video to get those bonus tickets. I've got to tell you an interesting story while I'm sitting here in this amazing one-owner Mustang. The Air Force career man actually took this Mustang wherever he was stationed in the world. So I have information from the paperwork that comes with this vehicle that this Mustang was in Libya and it was in Thailand. Now, how interesting is that? Remember, they haven't given away a classic first-gen Mustang in quite a while, so don't miss this opportunity to win this, the F-150 truck, and that Futura trailer at dreamgiveaway.com. Well, let's go over and take a look at that F-150 real quick. Well, now I'm in the F-150 that you'll also take home if you're the winner of the Show and Tow Dream Giveaway. Here's a big shout out for the catskin custom leather seats with the black and the red. And going from the Mustang to the F-150, I can't help but notice how much technology has changed. Of course, the F-Series truck from Ford is now in its 75th year, the Mustang only in 60. But going from that Mustang over here, wow, what a difference. A column shift here, but all sorts of electronics here. TAC, of course, everything has a tachometer these days. And this, since it's a truck, the speedometer only goes to 120 miles an hour, not the 140 that's in the Mustang. There's some other great mods on this truck as well. There's custom wheels. There's a lowering kit on here as well. And it's going to be tough. Which one would you prefer to take out on a Saturday morning or a Sunday afternoon? Or heck, which one would you rather make your daily driver? Well, you don't have to worry about that yet. Worry about that after you win, and then you can write us and tell us which one you're taking as your daily driver. But let's face it, some days you got to go to the hardware store. You don't want to take a classic Mustang there, and that's why this F-150 is going to rock your world as well. Plus, the winner will get that Futura Trailers lowering trailer. So if you decide to go to a car show, you can just hook that Mustang right up back to the hitch on this F-150 and go on to the car show, have fun at the show, put the Mustang back on the trailer, and then head home safely. This entire prize package to one winner. Haha, I sure hope that it's you. We'll see you guys next time with more great fun more great action, and more great grand prizes like a triple prize package to one winner, the Mustang, the F-150, and the trailer. It only happens here live in our favorite place on earth, the Dream Giveaway Garage. We'll see you next time.